afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, so please, before we start our lesson, as always, Nina, step forward please and lead the praying before we start the lesson.
Get ready. Before we study, let's pray together. Pray, begin.
That will be led by Nevina to increase our nationalists. Okay, please support Nevina and all of you stand up please. Muhammad Taufan, Muhammad Tristan, Muhammad Yusuf. Before we start, I want you to take one pen. Prepare one pen in front of your table. One pen, only one pen. Yeah. And if I say hand, you have to touch your hand. If I say pen, you have to take the pen. Okay, all of you stand up. Menyambung kata. If I say yellow, you have to replay by the last word, by the last letter from yellow. What is the last letter? W or Y? W. W. What is the word start from W? Hi. Okay, that's it. What did you say? Road. From D. Drive. Enjoy. Okay, that's it. Give them one more round. Fever. Esa. Erase. Tasha. Big pain. Guys, do you like to travel around with your family? Yes. Do you like to travel around with your family, Hafiz? Yes. Where did you go on the last your vacation? Where did you go the last vacation? You visited grandma's house. Okay, how about you? Dari, where did you go to the last vacation? Okay. Okay, I will tell you about learning objective. Tujuan pembelajaran. The first, understanding the activities in holiday. And then learn how to form sentence in past tense. Formula alias rumusnya. Simple past tense itu gimana ya? And then number 3, write down simple paragraph about holiday. And the 4 is practice asking and answer each other about past event atau past holiday. We use past simple tense to talk about action that happened and were completed in the past. Yeah, this is side completed. And the second, action that occur at a specific time in the past. Dalam waktu yang spesifik di masa lalu. And then action in a sequence of event in the past. Ya, beberapa waktu, beberapa action di waktu lampau. Rumusnya, positive structure. All the subjects are you, they, we, she, he, they. Ya, we use verb to. For the example, he at lunch an hour ago is negative. Negatif itu artinya tidak, ya. Subject didn't or did not. And then verb 1. We use verb 1. Didn't. He didn't study math yesterday. Perfect. Okay. Next. Positive done. Negative done. So the last is questions. Wow. Questions. We use did. Did, ya. We use did. Kita pakai did before the subject. Jadi did itu in front of the sentence. Di depan kalimat. Did you read a book yesterday? Did he go to bed last night? All the subject use did. Semua subjek pakai did. Okay. The verbs are divided into 2. Kata kerjanya terbagi menjadi 2. Indra, kata kerjanya apa aja? Mention. Regular, and irregular. Okay. Regular verbs. Yeah, regular verbs from the past formed by adding d, ed, or e to the past form. Jadi kata kerja yang belakangnya ditambahin ed doang. Dia berurutan. But irregular verb do not follow consistent pattern for their past form. Jadi nggak tentu rumusnya. Kalau yang ini kan udah pasti ed, d, or e. Kalau itu nggak nentu, ya. There has a unique past form. And how to know about regular and irregular? Yeah, you have to read more. You have to search more. You have to memorize more. For most verb, ya, untuk kata kerja biasanya yang kebanyakan, simply add ed. Ya, biasanya ditambahin ed. Talk, clean, watch, visiting, play. Ya. Irregular verbs, kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. You have to read this and I will ask you one by one randomly about this. Ya, baca and I will ask you one by one. Start from Hafiz. Eat, add, drink, drum, one, found. Okay, thank you. Give applause for us. Time expression. You know time expression from past tense? Last year. Last year. Yesterday. Ago. I learned Spanish last year. Positive, negative question. We visited Barcelona 2 years ago. Positive. Positive. Okay. I want you guys to step forward. I random. Step forward, make a line here, and you have to answer the question. You have to match verb 1 into verb 2. Match, you know match? Yeah. Please make a line here, okay? The first Rahmat, ayo Rahmat, and then Nina, Audrey, and Tristan. Ayo, 4, and then Topan, Gani, and Satrio. Topan, Gani, Satrio, Esa, and then Nevina behind. Okay, you have to match, but you have to match ya. Ini match yang mana? Nah, ayo. Gak usah duduk, berdiri aja. Nah. Next, Ibra, Aska, and Zakir. Next, Ucup. Ayo. Next. Tasya, Marsha, Marsha, Mahira, Alicia, Audrey. Okay, next. Okay, give us a round.
Conversation 1.
Conversation 1. Look at.
What did you do yesterday?
I played football with my friends. What about you? What did you do yesterday?
I cooked dinner for my family. Conversation 2.
I played games with my friends. We played Uno. It was really fun.
I went to a painting class and made a pretty picture.
Hey, what did you do yesterday? What did he do yesterday? Play football. By the way, what meaning one? What is the first verb? Wow. Irregular or regular verb? Perfect. Wow. Yeah. Sudah, look at this. Trip to Bali. Who ever visited Bali? Alicia, did you ever go to Bali? Okay, nice. So please, Alisa, read the text up to here.
So Bali with my family, we stayed at a small hotel near Kuta Beach. Every morning we walk along the beach.
Please, everyone, count how many verb 2 in this text. How many verb 2? 2, only 2? 4, 5, or maybe 6? So it means there are 14. So now you might make your paragraph, ya. Bikin paragraph sendiri kayak gini ya. Make a paragraph about holiday in a group. In a group. Please make a group. For this group will be Rahmat Wijaya, Muhammad Zafir Hafsyah, Tasya, and Alicia. This line. Satrio will stay here. Satrio, Aska, and then Oke. Arini and Tasya. Make two paragraph. Dua paragraph. One paragraph consists 5 lines. Ya. Balik. Ya. We need more paper. Maybe you need more paper, extra paper. Five lines. How about this?
We walked along the Malioboro street and took a picture. And I bought some souvenir for my cousin and friend. On the second day, we visited Parapentes Beach. It's a famous beach in Yogyakarta.
Kevin and friends, silent.
Spending Yogyakarta 7 days. There, and can one of the best holiday that
I have
I
ever
ever had.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for Yogyakarta. Thank you, Yogyakarta. Clap one. This. Ayo, Toban and Baik.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya. Ayo.
After the we went to buy some ice cream. After we finished the ice cream, we went to
After
Hokben.
this, Zambis group.
We went to Hokben because we are very hungry. And then we go home in the evening.
Enough? Okay. Baik, salam. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Last week we went to Japan for review. We played badminton and also we had
Udah. Very culture ya, very culture. Oke, give applause for them. Ayo, Ucup and Abdul. Ucup and Abdul. Abdul is Titan and Friends. Ayo. Titan and Friends ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. But it didn't come true, and just came to the zoo last week. We used to go to the zoo because we love animals, specifically another unique animal. We went to the zoo with our personal car. The zoo is so here ourselves. We really like it. When it arrived, we are very excited. The animals are very cute and very pretty. As we think, we really like this adventure.
Oke, enough. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, Titan and Friends. Oke, Titan and Friends, give applause. Ayo, yes, also. Ayo. Nah, pay attention to them. No voice. Make a line, please. Make a line. Ayo, salah 3, 2, 1. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Last week I went to Ragunan with my friend. There have been the Ragunan
Okay, next.
We saw the cheetah. Ibra said to us, the cheetah can run 126 kilometers. Then I said, no, next. The next, we saw crocodile. The crocodile also.
You know what? Bite force is so high. For the last animal we see is the giraffe. Tristan showed to us. This might to be last Brontosaurus. Everyone just wants to count it.
Very good.
It was best doing and it went on our best holiday in my life.
Okay, thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, student, now open your English book, yeah? Just open the book. English book, page 88, 88, ya, Sherry. 88, Sherry. 88, 88. Do you get it? Look at number 3, focus. Look at the table. There is a question. Where did you go last vacation? Do you find it? Yeah. Number 3. Can you find it? Yeah. What did you do there? Okay, number 1. Where did you go last vacation? Kamu kapan? Apa liburan terakhir. Terus, what did you do there? You have to ask each other, to the person who sit next to you, or to the person who sit in front of you. Tanya, saling tanya. Topan ask to Nevina, Nevina ask to Topan, and you do guys the same thing. Yeah, just say it. No write, you don't need to write. Ayo asking each other. No, you with your friends. Three person. Asking each other. You have to ask this to Kevin, and then Kevin will ask you back. Okay, I will ask you. Where did you go last vacation? What did you do there? What did you do there? What? Yeah, ask me back. I went to Bogor. I walk around Bogor with my family, and I had a nice food there. Traditional food, Sudanese food there. Okay, thank you. No, you don't need to write. No. Okay. Have you done? Have you asked your partner? Have you asked your partner? Okay, children. I want to ask you, are you enjoying study today? One up to 10. Okay, why? Today is fun. Because lot of game. There is an ice cream. Enjoy. Watch the video. So you have to practice. You already know about past tense. You have to practice it everywhere, every time. Do you understand? Yes. So Nina, let's we close our class by reciting doa. Ayo. Doa kafaratul majlis. Before we close our day.
Before we close
Our day.
let's pray together.
Okay, thank you for today. Thank you, Nina. Thank you for today. See you next meeting. In the next meeting, I will tell you more about simple past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, do you understand? I'm sorry for any mistakes. See you in another lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Bye everyone. Bye.